Now at first I thought it was coming from there, but I went in my bedroom and I could hear it the exact same volume coming from my window and also coming from the middle room window. You can hear it over there as well, and over there and everywhere. It was a lot louder than this about 30 minutes earlier. Yes, it's been going on for about an hour or something, but it's still quite loud and I'm not exactly sure where it's coming from. It's kind of weird. So yeah, I'll be quiet and just record the noise and see what you can think of it. Seems to be echoing off of those flats. Not sure where the source of the noise is, but it's not coming from there, because I know it's just echoing, because yeah. I'll have a walk out here and see. It's coming from everywhere, there's no source of the noise. It sounds more high pitched over that direction, and it sounds more low pitched that direction. I don't know if I'm having some kind of apocalypse of the air outlets of houses or something, but if this is someone's dryer, the air outlets, because I've heard them before, if that's what it is, then that is way too loud for that. You wouldn't be able to hear it all the way from there if it was just a tiny little thing about that big and letting air out from the dryers. There's just no way. So I've got no idea what's causing this sound, and it's kind of crazy that I'm hearing this when I've seen videos and I haven't made my mind up, and now I'm hearing it. I mean, there's nothing logical that could cause that sound. I know we're next to an airport, but if it was a plane it would be like whoosh, wouldn't just be a continuous drone. It wouldn't be like 2 o'clock in the morning. And it's not cars, because we'll hardly get any traffic at night. And about the air vent idea, can't be that, because yeah, it's just way too loud for that. I'm actually going to show you the view from my room just to prove to you that I come from all directions. It was a lot louder than that before. Oh yeah, and this is moved from the middle room into the bedroom. This is my new setup. My new bed stuff. Yeah, I can hear it out there. I can remember this from the Killingworth flood video. All the activity seems to happen from this house. Looks quite nice at night, actually. That is loud. It's too loud to be anything natural in the area. It seems to be coming from that direction as well. So it can't be coming from that direction and the direction backwards. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got no idea what's going on, and I'll see you guys later.